The scientists do the amazing invention. They can be discover the fourth state of the matter, referred as the Chiral Bose Liquid State. We all know that there are three states of the substance or matter: solid state, liquid state, gas state. In these states, we can consider the atom and molecules of that substance. We speak about the atom and molecules of that substance. But in the new state, it depends upon to the electrons. It depends upon to the electrons and not up to the atom or molecules of that matter or substance. So it is called as the Chiral Bose Liquid State. It can be discovered by the China and American scientists. They can construct the machine for the state to create. They constructed the machine using the high magnetic field and the temperature nearly equal to 0 degrees centigrade. And they can use the semiconductor device. And they can get the surprising results. Yes. They told that it is possible to control the free electron in the substance. Yes. We can control the position, we can control the spin, and we can control the movements of the electron. We can lock the electron or freeze the free electron. We can lock or freeze the free electrons in the same pattern. Second is that we also control the spin of the electron. We can also get the control on the spin of the electron, so we changes the value of the spin. And third is movement. That it is possible that all the electron, we can do the movements in all the electron at the same time. So we can get the control on the position, control the spin, and control the movements of the electrons. And this is a quantum state. That is, we can speak about the electron. So it is a quantum frustrated state. Quantum frustrated state. Again, listen carefully. We can lock the electron or freeze the electron in the same pattern. All the electron has the same patterns in that material. We can change its spin value of the electrons. The free electron will also able to change its free value of the electron, and we able to move all the electrons at the same time. We are able to move all the electrons at the same time. So we can do the three. We can control the electrons. And this position not affected by any external magnetic field or anything. Now I take the simple example. I now can see this simple example. Now this is C. Yes. At the bottom, see this simple example. There are the three. We can the three electron. They can construct the three electrons. This is set. They have the same pattern. We can freeze the three electron. We can lock the three electron in the same pattern. See. So there are the three blocks. Similarly, we can lock all the electrons in this manner. So this is a great invention. So remember always in mind that now there are a four states of the atom: solid, liquid, gas, related to the atom or molecules of the atom, and fourth state is Chiral Bose Liquid State, related to the free electron in that substance or matter. I told in a very simple manner. Actually, this is a very complicated article, but I told in the simple manner. So please share and subscribe. And told this is physics for all, knowledge for all, not only for the physics student. So share and told them maximum as possible. Thank you. And remember in mind, now there are four states of the electron: solid, liquid, gas, Chiral Bose Liquid State. Thank you.